Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation during a trip around Los Angeles. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the people they meet on their trip. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. When the Hollywood sign was first built, what did it say? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
We are finally here. I can't believe it. This is Hollywood.
Welcome to Los Angeles, Aaron. This is your first time, right?
Yes, look at the ground. There are stars everywhere.
This street is the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Each star has a famous name on it.
So all these people are movie stars?
Not all of them. Some are singers, some are on TV, some are on the radio.
Really? I thought it was only for movies.
No, there are about 2,700 stars here. They come from movies, music, TV, and radio.
2,700? That is a lot. How do they choose them?
People ask for a star for someone. A group chooses some names each year.
When did this street start? It looks old.
The first stars were placed here in 1960, so it is over 60 years old now.
60 years? And they still add new ones?
Yes, a few every year. The famous person stands right here when they get their star.
I would love to see that one day.
We can look for a name you know later. Over there is a famous theater.
What is special about it?
Some famous movie stars put their hands and shoes in the wet cement in front of it.
And the marks stay there?
Yes, they stay forever. I want to put my hand next to a star's hand someday.
Me too. But first, what is that big sign on the hill?
That is the Hollywood sign. It is very famous. But here is something fun. That sign did not always say Hollywood.
What? It said something else?
Yes, I will tell you the story later today. Remember that.
Now I am curious. Okay, let's keep walking. I'm getting hungry.
Good. I know a great place for lunch. Follow me.
Hi there. Welcome to In and Out. What can I get for you?
Hi, my friend says this is the best burger in California.
A lot of people say that. We only have restaurants in a few states in the west of the country.
Oh, so I can't get this back home?
Probably not. That makes it special. We have a long history, too.
Oh, really? When did it start?
The first restaurant opened in 1948. The same family still owns it.
That is a long time, and the menu is so small.
We do that for a reason. We make only a few things, but we make them fresh.
Fresh food and a long history. So what do you suggest?
Well, we also have a secret menu. It is not on the wall, but everyone knows it.
A secret menu? That sounds exciting. Tell me more.
The most famous one is called Animal Style.
Animal style. What is that?
We cook the meat with mustard. Then we add extra sauce and onions cooked on the grill.
That sounds really good. I will try one animal style burger, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
A small soda, please, and some fries.
You got it. Do you want your fries animal style too?
The fries too? Sure, why not?
That's $7.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Your food will be ready soon. Where are you from?
I am visiting for the first time. My friend is showing me the whole city today.
That's wonderful. You picked a great first meal. Enjoy your trip.
Sam, that burger was amazing. Thank you for taking me there.
I told you. Now we're at Griffith Observatory. Look at the view.
It is beautiful. I can see the whole city, and there is the Hollywood sign again.
This is the best place to see it, and the building behind us is free to enter.
Free? A place like this is free?
Yes, inside you can learn about the stars and planets. Many movies use this place too.
I can see why. Can we walk up to the sign and touch it?
No, you can't. There is a fence to keep it safe. You can only see it from far away.
That makes sense. It must be very big up close.
Each letter is about as tall as a 4-story building. It is huge.
A 4-story building? I would never guess that from here.
Okay, you promised to wait, and now it is time. Look closely. It says Hollywood, right?
Yes, 9 letters. Hollywood.
Well, when they built it in 1923, it said something longer.
Longer? What did it say?
It said Hollywood Land. There were 4 more letters, L-A-N-D.
Hollywood Land? Why?
It was a big ad. A company wanted to sell new houses on this hill.
So the sign was just an ad for houses? That is so funny.
Yes, then in 1949, they took away the last 4 letters. Now it just says Hollywood.
Wow, I will never forget that. The sign was an ad.
Now you know the secret. Come on, let's go to the beach next.
The beach? Yes, please. I have been waiting to see the ocean. The ocean, finally! And look, there is a small fair on this pier.
This is the Santa Monica Pier. That is the Pacific Ocean in front of us.
There is a Ferris wheel. Can we ride it?
Of course. From the top, you can see very far. The view is great.
I would love that. This pier feels old and special.
It is old. The first part was built in 1909. People have come here for over 100 years.
100 years. That is amazing. What else is on the pier?
There is a small aquarium right under our feet, below the pier.
An aquarium under the pier? That is surprising.
Yes, you can see fish and other sea animals from this coast. Kids really love it.
This place has a little bit of everything. Is the Ferris wheel the only ride?
No, there are many rides. There's also an old carousel from the 1920s with pretty painted horses.
Painted horses from the 1920s. I want to see those too.
We can. The lights on the pier are beautiful at night.
It must look like a dream at night.
It does. And here's another fun fact. Do you know Route 66?
I have heard the name. It is a famous road, right?
Yes, very famous. It's a very old road across the United States. It starts in Chicago.
Chicago is far away in the middle of the country.
Right. Many people say the road ends right here, at this pier. There's a famous sign that says, "End of the trail."
So people drive across the United States and finish here?
That's the idea. Many people take a photo by that sign.
Let's take one too. Then let's ride the Ferris wheel. After that, let's walk down the beach to the next place.
Walk along the beach. That sounds perfect.
This walk along the beach is so nice. Where are we now?
We walked from Santa Monica to Venice Beach. They're right next to each other.
It feels different here. There are so many people doing things.
Venice Beach is famous for that. Look, there are people doing music and shows on the street.
That man is playing music, and those people are dancing.
People come here to show their art and skills. It is always busy and fun.
Why is it called Venice, like the city in Italy?
Good question. A man built canals here long ago, like the ones in Italy.
Canals with water and little boats?
Yes, some of them are still here today. You can walk by the water and see pretty houses.
I would love to see the canals later. What is that area over there?
People are lifting weights outside. That is Muscle Beach, a famous outdoor gym on the sand.
An outdoor gym? I have never seen one before.
Many strong, famous people exercised here many years ago. It started a long time back.
That is so cool. Everyone here looks so free and happy.
That is the feeling of Venice Beach. And look over there, skaters.
They are so fast. This place has so much energy.
There's a famous skate park here. People come from everywhere to skate.
I think I have seen this beach in movies before.
You probably have. Many films and TV shows are made right here.
That makes sense. The palm trees and the sand look perfect.
People come from many countries to see this famous beach.
I love it here, but I'm getting a little hungry again.
Good timing. I know the perfect place for dinner. It's close.
Hi, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Hi, yes. I love food trucks in LA.
That's nice to hear. We sell tacos from the truck. There are many food trucks in this city.
I know. You can find great food on almost every street here.
Los Angeles has wonderful Mexican food. Many families came here from Mexico long ago.
That is why the food is so good. What do you suggest tonight?
Try the tacos al pastor. The meat is cooked with pineapple. It is sweet and a little spicy.
Why is the meat cooked with pineapple? I always wondered about that.
The cook puts the meat on a tall grill that turns around. Pineapple sits on top and gives it a sweet taste.
A tall turning grill? That sounds fun to watch.
It is. Many trucks cook it right in front of you.
I love watching people make food. I will take 3 tacos al pastor, please.
Good choice. Do you want green sauce or red sauce on them?
Which one is more spicy?
The green one is less spicy. The red one is hot. I will give you a little of both.
Perfect. I like to try a little of everything.
Good idea. Anything to drink?
My friend is picking the drinks now. Do you have a special drink?
We have horchata. It is a sweet drink made from rice. It is very popular here.
A drink made from rice? I have to try that. 2 horchatas then.
Perfect. That will be $11.
Here you are. Thank you. It smells amazing.
Enjoy. Sit anywhere you like. The food will be ready in a minute.
These tacos are so good, and this horchata is sweet and nice.
I'm glad you like them. Now, look at the sky.
Oh, the sunset. The sky is orange and pink. It is so beautiful.
This is my favorite way to end a day in LA. By the ocean, watching the sun go down.
What a day. We saw so many things.
We did. Tell me, what was your favorite part?
That is hard. I loved the beach and the tacos were great, but
But what?
the most surprising thing was the sign. I still can't believe it once said Hollywoodland.
I knew you would say that. It surprises everyone.
And it was just an ad for new houses. Now, every time I see that sign, I will remember the story.
That is the best part of travel. You learn things you never forget.
I learned so many new things today. The stars, the sign, the food, the canals.
And we only saw a small part. Los Angeles is so wide that people drive everywhere.
Really? How big is it?
Sometimes it takes an hour just to cross the city by car.
An hour? Then we walked a lot today.
We did. A good trip is not just nice photos, it is the little stories too.
You are right. Thank you for showing me your city, Sam. I love Los Angeles.
There is still so much more to see. You will have to come back.
I will, for sure. Next time you visit my city.
Okay, I promise. Let's watch the last of the sunset together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. When the Hollywood sign was first built, what did it say? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.